The Save As function allows you to make copies of models and their related drawings in one go. To use it, you must first open the assembly or part you want to copy, and then press the Save As button. The window is divided into several sections. Document Browser displays all documents arranged according to their respective dependencies. Preview shows a preview of the selected document. Destination Folder lists the available folders in the workspace. Folder Content displays the documents contained within the selected folder. Coding section includes the Manual Coding panel and, if installed and licensed, the File Coder panel. To make a copy, you need to specify which documents you want to copy. Each row in the document browser displays a status icon as the first element. A blue icon indicates that the document will be copied, while a yellow icon indicates that it will be reused. When a document marked for copying has errors, the icon in the second column changes from a green checkmark to a red triangle. To find out what error has been detected, simply select the document and read the details in the editor. iCopy automates the status change of primary elements to simplify the copying process. For example, if you set a document at the bottom of a hierarchical chain to Copy, the related primary elements will also be set to Copy. For quick selections, the browser provides contextual menus accessible by right-clicking and also offers a filter. The filter isolates documents based on the displayed name while keeping the hierarchy visible. By clicking the selection button, all rows matching the filter are selected. To modify multiple documents simultaneously, you can select the desired documents. If all selected documents are set to Copy, the multi-selection editor will be displayed. All changes made will be applied to all selected documents. You can change the destination folder by using an existing folder or creating a new one. Text replacements can be made, or prefixes and suffixes can be added. If File Coder is installed, you can also choose to apply automatic coding to all documents. iCopy is capable of copying documents generated by the frame generator. Due to the complexity of copying individual elements, a logic has been added that hides and autonomously manages the documents from the frame generator. To proceed with the copy, there must be no errors present. In this example, we apply automatic coding. The codes can be varied for each individual element. In the same copying context, it is possible to use both manual and automatic coding. Once there are no more errors in the documents to be copied, the Start Copy button is enabled. Simply press it to initiate the copying process. Upon completion, the new main document will be opened. During the copying process, the drawings are also copied and reassociated.